Hi everyone, so this is my personal brand. This is like my kind of my alter ego, Sace Diosa. It's like I really love music and a lot of my social media is about music, so Drake is one of my favorite artists and he calls himself Sace Dios. And Sace Diosa is just like the female version of that. Hi everyone, so this is like my personal brand or like what I like to call my alter ego. Um, my name on a lot of things is Sace Diosa, which like Drake is one of my favorite artists and he calls himself Sace Dios, and then Sace Diosa is like the female version of that, so that is why that's my name on some things. So let's get started on where I am in social media and why. I'm currently on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook. And I usually just use my socials to share stuff, and that's all about music, but I also get into social justice and comedic stuff. So as you can see, um, everything is pretty diverse, I guess. You'll see that a little bit later in the slideshow. So with consistency, I like to have the same bio and everything. I really don't have anything else to put on there, so that's why I have the same bio on a lot of things. And I also have the same picture and cover photo on things I can have cover photos. I just like it all to be the same so people know who I am. I don't like, inconsistency in a lot of things. And I also post or repost every day on all social medias or check them every day. Um, Something I would say about consistency is I'm not consistent with personalities on all pages because I don't know, I feel like some, if they're not professional, some accounts could be used for just your personal stuff. Like this tweet over here, y'all listen to a groundhog but not the CDC. It's just like funny tweets. But for Facebook, I'm a lot more wholesome because I have my family on there. For my professional accounts, I have LinkedIn and a Handshake, and I am also pretty consistent on these accounts with my information and checking them. So right now, I need to work on LinkedIn because I just download that. But for my Handshake, I have like all of my stuff on there for my resume, and it's a pretty good account. And also, you can tell I have my letters on in both pictures, even though it's different pose. And I feel like that is helping me with outreach of people because when I've gotten a lot of messages like, "Hey, I see you in your letters. I have this job." So yeah. I also want to add Facebook in on here because I said earlier that it was my more wholesome thing. So I would somewhat consider my Facebook professional. Um, I usually, so right now I'm posting things about Black History Month and stuff like that, and I also repost stuff for Black businesses and Latinx businesses, and that's pretty much all my Facebook is. It's just family friendly stuff. Sometimes I'll see like a picture of a tweet on there and share it, but not really. But yeah, that is my brand, and uh, yeah, it's pretty cool.